So my name is Jurgen Vater. I'm in charge of Kranlyft Groups as a CEO, and we are the supplier of Maeda in Europe, Africa, Middle East, both in sales and in after sales. We are supporting our private dealers, and we have own representation in the big markets like the UK, Germany and Sweden.
For Maeda, main focus is to be connected to cranes and provide excellent service to our customers through telematics. Many of our final owners are rental companies, and the challenge for rental companies is how to operate their machine efficiently. We believe that by having the manufacturer, dealer, and owner understand the machine information in a timely manner, we can solve these problems and further improve customer satisfaction by being closer to the customer.
I think it's extremely important to get the right data from a machine so we can develop new models, we can work with maintenance, a maintenance contract and so on, and also to track where it is for our customers. We can log the machine, we can log the data, and we can then provide the right service, we can have the right parts in place and so on. So it's an excellent tool for us.
Product development and technical support. Trackunit is well known in Europe and experienced and global coverage. Give us opportunity, we can get data and give technical support.